Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I'm your science teacher Miss Sidra Zafar and this is lecture number 17 for grade 6 unit number 2 living things in their environment. Today's our topic is acid rain. What is acid rain? Acid gases are produced when fossil fuels like coal and oil are burned in power stations, factories and in our homes. These gases react with water vapor present in atmosphere and lower the pH of water and making it acidic. pH tells us the strength of water. When they converted into clouds, it can cause rain and that rain is known as acid rain. Acid rain can also occur in the form of snow, fog. Acid fog has 10 times more acid than acid rain. How it is formed? Burning of fossil fuels emit sulfur dioxide and the sulfur dioxide reaches the atmosphere. It oxidizes to form sulfur trioxide. You can see it is the sulfur dioxide. When it combines with oxygen, it makes sulfur trioxide. And the sulfur trioxide joins with hydrogen atoms in the air and becomes sulfuric acid. This then falls back down to the earth as acid rain. You can see here, this is the sulfur trioxide. When it combines with the water, it changes into the sulfuric acid, which is the reason for the rain to be acidic. Carbon dioxide, when combines with the water, it makes carbonic acid, and nitric oxide, when combines with the water, it makes nitric acid. There are many reasons of the acid rain. Coal, oil and the natural gases are used in power stations to make electricity, which give off sulfur dioxide gas. Burning of fuels in vehicle engines give off nitrogen oxide as gases. And there are many problems of the acidic rain, like acid rain can travel long distances. Often it does not fall where the gas is produced. Winds blow them great distances before they dissolve and fall to earth as rain. Example given, gases produced in the India and China can result acid rain in Pakistan or Afghanistan because the acid rain can travel long distances. And there are many effects of the acid rain on living things and on the non-living things. In living things, we read how it affects our environment, insects, aquatic organisms and humans. First of all, about the environment. Acid rain is an extremely destructive form of pollution and the environment suffers from its effects. Forests, lakes, animals and humans suffer from acidic rain. Trees. The bundles and leaves of the trees turn brown and fall off. Trees can also suffer from stunt growth and have damaged bark and leaves. You can see in this picture. All of this happens partially because of direct contact between trees and acid rain, but it also happens when trees absorb water and minerals from soil that has come into contact with acid rain. Normal pH level of soil is between 6 to 6.8. Acid rain also affects the lakes and the organisms which lives in the lakes. Lakes are also damaged by acid rain. Fish die off and that removes the main source of food for birds. Acid rain can even kill fish before they are born when the eggs are laid and come into contact with the acid. Also, birds can die from eating toxic fish and insects. The acid rain affects the aquatic organisms, the organisms which live in the ocean and in the river. Acid rain causes harm or kill fish, reduce fish population numbers, completely eliminate fish species from a water body, and decrease biodiversity. As acid rain flows through soils in a watershed, aluminium is released from soils into the lakes and streams located in that watershed. So, as pH in a lake or stream decreases, aluminium level increases. Both low pH and increased aluminium levels are directly toxic to aquatic organisms. In addition, low pH and increased aluminium level causes lower body weight and smaller size, and fish lose their ability to reproduce. Humans. Humans can become seriously ill and can even die from the effects of the acid rain. One of the major problems that acid rain can cause in a human beings are respiratory problems. Many can find it difficult to breathe, especially people who have asthma. Asthma, along with dry coughs, headaches, and throat irritation, can be caused by the sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide from acid rain. Since acid rain can kill aquatic animals, weaken trees, and dissolve stones, it seems like it could also burn animals, but it does not affect people in the same way as it does fish or plants. Acid rain feels the same as regular rain. It's even safe to swim in an acidic lake, but the sulfate and nitrate particulates of dry deposition can cause asthma and bronchitis problems in the humans. You can see the asthmatic bronchioles and the normal bronchioles, which are present in our lungs. I hope you understand the lesson. Here is a home task for you. You will have to explain what is acid rain. What are the effects of acid rain on living aquatic organisms and insects? How acid rain is harmful for human beings? Thank you, students. In the next lesson, we will study the effects of acid rain on non-living things. Thank you so much.